Hello and welcome to the Daily Edit. In today's episode, we're going to talk about emotional response created by an edit. As is often the case, I've been thinking about what I was going to post for today's episode of the Daily Edit. Last year, my family and I went on vacation with another family to the British Virgin Islands on a sailing trip. It was our first family sailing adventure, and we had a blast. On that trip, we captured a lot of footage using a variety of cameras, knowing that we would want to put together kind of this comprehensive documentary of our trip. Since that time, I've been working off and on the edit, but with the anniversary of that trip coming up, I wanted to have the completed project done so that we could kind of premiere it as an anniversary of the trip. Over this past weekend, I spent a lot of time putting together edits of the last couple of days of the trip, and even though I'm not quite done, I did want to share a piece of that edit with you today as a part of kind of an emotional response in an edit type of topic. What I mean by that is you can combine photos and video along with the timing of the edit and particular choices of music to generate an emotion or bring back an emotion from a time in the past. In this particular clip, which is one I was editing just today, it was an unexpected reminder of why I want to learn how to sail. I knew going into this trip that it was one of the things that I wanted to accomplish was to become a certified captain, to be able to charter a sailboat to extend these family adventures. We had such a blast on this trip, and I knew that that's something that I would want to continue in the future. Fast forward to almost a year later, and I'm sitting here editing this video footage, and I had already selected a song, and I put together these clips, and there was an instant reminder. It was just this emotion that was generated from nowhere, really. I mean, I had the clips, I had the music, and it wasn't until I put them together that I realized, wow, this is why I want to learn to sail. And all those emotions and all those feelings came back. So I just wanted to share a brief portion of the overall clip that started off this final day of our trip. I hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoyed that brief little clip and kind of a trip down memory lane with me anyway. Another thing that I realized as I was editing all of this footage is how great the DJI Osmo Pocket is as a travel camera. It's small, it's lightweight, it has an integrated gimbal, so it works great for hiking clips or moving clips that need to be stabilized. And I know I've had an episode about this before, but I just wanted to reiterate that for the money, it's hard to beat as a travel camera. Maybe in the future, I can go into a more in-depth review of that camera as it relates to travel. Until then, thanks for tuning in. Be sure to tune in Fridays. We'll have a live episode, and I can't wait to see you then. Thanks.